Hi guys, we're making some food for our customer, and it's gonna be the punch for the customer. So I'm making this noodles for our customer, and I'm making this waffle for the customer because the customer might like toast. Hey, so I'm gonna make more food. I hope I win this time.
Nyla, are you cooking anything today?
Yeah. Yes.
What are you cooking? Tell the audience what you're cooking today.
We're cooking with Janiyah and Kaliyah.
Mm-hmm.
Today we're gonna make some food.
Oh shoot! What kind of food we making?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. Well, when you get it figured out, will you let us know? Are you gonna let us know? Because your customers want to know.
Yes.
Yes.
We're gonna do a packing challenge for Daddy.
Okay.
And not this little boy for camera. So this is.
He said we're doing a cooking challenge for Daddy. That is odd. They're doing a cooking challenge for me. For moi.
So now I got an egg.
Okay.
Yeah. I got bread and an egg, and I'm gonna do some probably sausage. 2 sausages.
Sounds like y'all know what y'all want to do.
I'm gonna make this.
Okay.
And this.
Mm-hmm.
So it's almost done. For like 5 minutes.
5 minutes. What you working on, Nye?
So we get time for right now. We get like 10 minutes or 30 minutes of time right now.
How's your food coming along?
Good.
Okay.
Cooking. Let's start it. We're getting started right now. So this show is called Nailed It.
Okay.
Yeah, Nailed It. That's what our show is called. So.
Y'all got a big kitchen. Y'all got like stoves everywhere and.
Oh, we need to close the stuff.
Y'all got a big kitchen. Well, I'm gonna get out the kitchen. I'm gonna let y'all work y'all magic.
Yeah, I got some magic that I might win. She might be in second place. She might be in last place. So I wish I could win that $10,000. Me too. I want straight all of it. I want $10,000 because I might win. I might win. Oh yeah.